Kung plano mo rin lang mag-upgrade in the future, ba't hindi ka na magsimula sa mas malaking bahay ngayon? Kasi may available ngayon na bank foreclosed property na bihira mo makita. Malaking lote, malaking floor area at no bidding basta walang kasabay. Ibig sabihin hindi ka makikipag-agawan, unahan lang talaga. Located at General Trias. Check mo to, inner lot, lot area 112 square meter, sobrang luwag, floor area 71.60 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. Perfect ito sa families na gusto ng space for expansion, parking, or future improvements. Selling price 3,387,000. Now, usap tayo sa numbers. 20% down payment, 677,400. Loanable amount, 80%. Bank financing, 2,709,600. Estimated monthly amortization around 20,000 to 22,000 per month, depende sa bank interest at loan term. Required income around 60,000 to 70,000 combined monthly income. Pwede mag-combine income para mas mataas ang approval chance. Take note, as is where is. Bank fees at transfer of title hindi pa included. At dahil foreclosed property ito, mabilis itong makuha lalo na sa ganitong kalaking lote at presyo. Tandaan mo, isang unit lang available. First come first serve, kapag may nauna sa'yo, wala na agad. Free house tour assistance available. Pwede kitang samahan para makita mo mismo ang property bago ka mag-decide. So kung gusto mo ng bahay na pang long term na, maluwag at sulit ang investment, message ka na ngayon bago pa ito ma-reserve ng iba. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.